Ever found yourself stuck without a working stylus for your boogie board? The Jot 8.5 Stylus 4-pack solves that problem with ease. 4 replacement styluses, each crafted to fit flawlessly with your 8.5-inch Jot writing tablet. Ensure you're never left waiting or scrambling for a pen. Whether you're jotting down notes, doodling, or sharing the fun with family game nights, these styluses have you covered. What makes these styluses stand out? For starters, they're lightweight yet built from sturdy, durable materials that feel natural in your hand, like writing with a real pen on paper. The comfortable grip reduces hand fatigue, letting you write or draw longer without discomfort. Plus, the pack includes 4 vibrant colors: orange, gray, pink, and blue, each paired with a sleek black body. While the stylus color doesn't affect the writing color on the screen, it adds a touch of personality and makes it easy to share or keep track of your own pen. Many users in the U.S. rave about having these styluses on hand as backups. One parent mentioned how perfect they were for their kids' boogie boards, matching the originals exactly and lasting through plenty of use. That kind of authenticity and quality means you get a product designed specifically for your device, ensuring smooth, reliable performance every time you pick it up. If you're someone who values convenience and durability in your digital writing tools, the Jot 8.5 Stylus 4-pack is worth a look. It's not just about replacements, it's about enhancing your writing experience with pens that feel right and fit perfectly. Keep a set in your home, office, or backpack to stay ready for anything. Ready to upgrade your boogie board experience? Adding this 4-pack of Jot 8.5 styluses to your cart means you'll always have a reliable pen within reach. Try it when you're ready and see how easy it is to keep your notes flowing without interruption.